Hello student, this is exercise number 51 of the chapter number 14 N and F hook. स्टार्ट करेंगे. पन, बोन, टोन, डन, चेन, जेन, केन, गेन, रेन, वाइन, yawn. Next is pawning, pawn shop, toning, chaining, caning, gaining, regaining, train, training. Next is fine, refine, vain, ravine, then, shine, shone, ocean, mean, meaning. Next is proof, brave, tough, trough, chafe, cave, gave, rough, wife, preserve, observe. Next is proving, पर है, वी का हुक है विद ing का कॉन्सोनेंट है. टफन, ट्रैफिक, डफन, deafening, driving, divide, dividing. Next exercise number 52. Open, opening, tune, tuning, dine, dining, strain. Next is begin, beginning, run, runner, win, winner, join. Next is fan, fancy. अब जैसे फैन लिखते हैं उसी के साथ एस का स्ट्रोक तो बन गया फैंसी. फिन, फिनिश, इश अपवर्ड, वेन, वैनिश, mean, meanness, m with n hook with again n with n stroke with s circle, दो n है ना. meanness, noun, renown. Next is pave, paving, prove, provide, provoke, chef, chaffinch, refer, referring, and last is preserve. Next, pen, penny, deaf, defy, fun, funny, men, many. ये सारे उन्हीं रूल्स पे बने होते हैं जो हमने रोज इन चैप्टर में पढ़े. क्लियर है. नेक्स्ट एक्सरसाइज नंबर 53. स्टार्ट. इट मे बी difficult for you to follow the general principles upon which foreign business is carried on, but if you are to win your way in a firm which does business with the northern and southern states of America. You will have to try. No business man, and above all, no business man whose principal business is with foreigners can possibly leave this branch of economics from his training. If he should refrain because of a general dislike of the science, he will surely suffer in the long run. The truth of this has been shown over and over again within my own circle, and I speak for your advantage. The principles may appear difficult to follow, and if you imagine the task beyond you, it will prove so. But be brave, face the plain truth, and you will lighten the work and succeed as you will deserve to succeed. बीच में लॉन्ग पॉज इसलिए दिया जाता है, वहाँ पे फुल स्टॉप है, ठीक है। जहाँ मैं ज़्यादा रुकती हूँ वहाँ फुल स्टॉप है। नेक्स्ट है एक्सरसाइज नंबर 54। स्टार्ट। लोकल authorities as borough and urban councils generally derive their main revenue from the rates they levy. They may, of course, receive profits from any business carried on by them within the borough. Over and above all this, they receive allowances from the state. Either men or women may appeal to the authorities, and they very often do if they think they have been unfairly assessed. but it will be difficult for them to obtain relief unless they are able to prove their case and satisfy the authorities as to a supposed overcharge. These are the 4 exercises of chapter number 14. ओके, क्लियर है? और कोई भी आपको प्रॉब्लम हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू स्टूडेंट्स.